Today, a BMTC bus from the Koramangala depot caught fire near Anil Kumble Circle on MG Road this morning between 8:30 and 9 am. All 30 passengers were safely evacuated by the alert driver, who noticed smoke coming from the engine. The conductor used the onboard fire extinguisher to control the fire until firefighters arrived. The fire was quickly extinguished by a fire tender from the South Station, which was deployed after receiving a complaint at 8:51 am. Initial reports suggest the engine overheated while restarting, causing the fire. BMTC officials are on site investigating the incident to determine the exact cause. Proper action will be taken once the report is ready.